Nothing. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna replace the starter on my Chrysler Town & Country. It just happened. Yesterday left me in the road, just doing nothing. I was thinking it's the battery, but here we are. To do this job is very easy, and to make more space, to save a lot of time and headache, you need to take out. We have here a couple covers, the fan and another plastic what was here. First we take that one, couple screws here, there. After we took that, we have this metal is also holding in two screws there. They are 13 millimeters if I'm not get wrong. Once we have access here, we need to take out this right there. It's 13 millimeters in my case. Once we lose that one, this is gonna fall down. But before we do that, we need all of this to have more space to work on the starter. And also is another sensor right here. We also disconnect it, and it's this one is an 8 millimeters. It's more space also. Yep. And we have everything nice and clean. All the screws are here, and let's go under the car and see what's going on. Okay, guys, here is the starter, and in my case this one broke down, and of course on long distance never checked this happened, and I decided to replace it, because sooner or later, even if I fix it, it's gonna do the same way, and it's a good time to replace it. I find a good deal, an auto part near me, and we need to take out this one. I think it's the negative. Is where is the sensor to the starter. We have two screws, this one actually two. This is a sensor, just take it out, and this is the big one what I show you first, and let's start do it. It's corroded, but it's doing very easy. But I forget to tell you guys to mention before you start it, make sure you disconnect the negative terminal from your battery. It's very important. We work with electrical here, and to not damage something else, you just gonna disconnect and be more safe. And I can see it here how this wire is so corroded, man. It's just melted, like, if I can say that. It's just lose the connector. But what is I don't get was working every day, and one time what is good after work, almost on my way home, this one I always get lost in the driveway. Another job, just was so hard. Okay. It's 15 millimeters. Actually, I'm gonna use my special wrench. Hold it. Oh man, there's not enough space. Yeah, almost done, but this keys take me a while. Okay, what is funny is on top of this one was another small one, and I was thinking I finished the job, but actually this one was the last one. And once we take it, we can take out now the starter pretty easy. Let's see if it's gonna move. Okay, good. It's gonna be a gasket. Okay, we have it. We're gonna take a look. To compare the holes on. It's not pretty bad, but it looks in a bad shape. And my problem was this wire. It's got so bad and melted over the years. And I think I'm gonna install this new one. I have a good price on it, and it's better to change it. I have another one. This one is 250, but I'm gonna give this one, which is gonna be 100 and something if I return the old one back. And let's do it reverse job now. Okay, we try to put in exactly same spot. We clean the gasket, and it's gonna hold here for a couple seconds, and this time I'm gonna go on top and we try to put the first one just to hold it by hand, and after I'm gonna use the tool just to catch more. You can see I got a better spot from here. Okay. Now we're gonna put the, I think it's the negative. I'm gonna attach back right here. Here's a gap. It's going just in one way. Screw 14 millimeters. Okay, now we're gonna use the wrench. Okay, under the car we have two things what we need to do. We need to attach this wire back, which was right there, and this sensor, which I clean a little because it's not in the best shape. It's just one way where we can put it. Plug in. We did the sensor. Now take this screw, pin screw out. And hold it. Put it back in place. 14mm screwdriver. So we still leave like that. We're gonna go do a quick test. I connect the battery back to minus. Everything is back in place. Let's see what we have. And now, moment of truth. More time. I get it. Nice this song. Hope this video was helpful for some of you guys, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you it's not too much, and see you next time. Bye bye.